Hello, this is Kitty. What is your name? Hello, my name is Melody. Cool. Let's play crack and open. Cool. Sure. Wow, I got 2 blue candies. Blue candies. Two yellow candies. Yummy. Hello. Hi. I am 4 years old. How old are you? I am 3 years old. Cool. Let's play crack and open. Sure. Wow, I got chocolates. Nice. This is strawberry, dark chocolate. This one, caramel, milk chocolate. And this one, cocoa dark chocolate. This one, cocoa dark chocolate. Wow. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. Wow. Wow. Got 2 red candy. Yummy. Now it's time for surprise gift. Yay! Lots of candies. Pink candy. Orange candy. This also pink candy. Black. Dark chocolate candy. Black candy. Green candy. This one is green candy. And last one is orange candy. Hooray!
Bye bye. Subscribe for lots more fun.